This Wi-Fi ready counter-depth French door refrigerator by LG has a fresh food capacity of 14.6 and a freezer capacity of 7.3 for a total capacity of 21.9 cubic feet. It has a fingerprint resistant stainless front with the signature LG logo, 3 color-matched stainless handles, an extra tall external ice and water dispenser, and features a InstaView Door-in-Door design, allowing you to see what you want before opening the door. Inside is bright LED lighting, a water filter, and 5 spill-proof glass shelves. The 4 split shelves are fully adjustable. The lower full-width shelf is stationary. Below the shelves are 2 humidity-controlled crispers and 1 extra-large glide and serve drawer. On the doors is the ice maker, ice storage, a cold saver panel, and 6 bins. 3 are deep enough for gallon storage. All bins are removable for cleaning. In the freezer is 1 full-size basket with a divider bar, 1 pull-out drawer, and an additional ice maker with storage bin.